What's up, guys? Back again with another video. So I want to talk about the Navy Federal Go Biz reward card. I just applied for this card and I just got the results back. I was approved for this particular card, and that's the reason why I'm talking about it, because you know I talk about these credit cards and stuff like that, but I only talk about cards that I have. So we got another approval. Now this particular card, the Navy Federal Go Business Reward Card, does not report to your personal credit, and it doesn't report to the business credit either. So now if you're looking for a card that's going to help build your business credit, this card may not be what you're looking for. But as you know, I did get approved for the Platinum Business Card with American Express that does report to the business credit only. So that's another trade line for the business. But let me give you a real good reason why this card is a good card for you to have for your business. All right, so here's the actual email that was sent to me, just so you guys can know. It said, congratulations, you have been approved for the Go Biz Reward credit card. Limit is $25,000, 9.15%. Variable APR. Okay, you should receive the card 7 to 10 business days, right? Whatever. This came from Navy Federal. Now right here is the actual card. I want to show you this card. Now, like I said, this card does not report to your business credit. Now, to even get this card, you have to first be a Navy Federal customer. If you're not a Navy Federal customer, you're not going to get the card. Not only do you have to be a Navy Federal customer, you have to sign up for a business checking account in order for you to apply for business products. So this card right here is another card that is a relationship card. I got this credit card because building a relationship with Navy Federal. This card is kind of easy to get. The process is a little bit extensive, but this card is not hard to get, and you don't have to have good credit to get this card. All you have to do is be a Navy Federal customer. And if you was a Navy Federal customer and you got the personal credit card and you got accounts with Navy Federal, this card is going to be easy for you to get for your business. Now, what I suggest or recommend, if you have a bank right now that don't offer business products, I would switch to a credit union like Navy Federal and, get all my income coming into that bank. You should want and have your business account and your personal account, so when you get paid, you have a bank that actually have business products and services that you can use. Like, I know a lot of people have like these different little fintech cash app cards, and it's nothing wrong with those. Like, there's nothing wrong with having the chimes and all these type of stuff, but you need a real bank. And also too, you need a bank that offer products like credit cards, auto loans and stuff like that, because when you have your money going into those banks, they have banking data on you. They have information about you. They know how you pay the accounts that you have with them, and they will be more likely to approve you based off of your relationship with them. And Navy Federal is real good about that. So first you have to have a Navy Federal account, a personal account. Then once you have a personal account, you can apply for a business account, right? So you open up a business checking account with them. Now, when you go to apply for this card, you can't log in with your new Navy Federal business account. You have to log in to your portal with your personal Navy Federal account information. Then you're able to apply for this card. I applied for this card yesterday, got back to me today. They actually called me to verify my address. And then, later on, a couple of hours later, I got the email saying that I was approved. And I'm pretty much sure that I was approved because of my relationship with Navy Federal. I already have a checking account, personal checking account with Navy Federal, which I don't use, by the way. It's not my main bank account. And I have a personal credit card with Navy Federal already. So I was pretty confident that if I applied for this card, being that I opened a business account with them as well, that I would get this card. And now, having this type of purchase power, $25,000 credit card that don't report to anyone, I can pretty much, make a purchase on this, make large purchases on this credit card, paying it, that I'm going to pay back, of course. But if I did decide to revolve a small balance on the card, it won't hurt my personal or my business credit. Now, the data points for this card is going to pull your credit. They pull my Experian credit report. They pull my Experian credit report, and that's it. So you will get a hard inquiry, but you won't have a new account that's going to show up on your credit. You won't have a credit limit reported, and it's not going to report to your business credit. They did not pull my business credit at all. They only pulled my personal Experian credit report. So this is a good card to have if you want to revolve balances. If you're going to be revolving balances, this is the card you want to do it on. on. But you want to make sure you have a plan to pay that money back. I don't plan on revolving any balances, but I do plan to make large purchases. Like if I wanted to buy a car for Turo, anything like that, I'm going to be using this card for that. Now, as you can see, the APR for Prime Plus is 5.90. They gave me like a 9-something%. 0 annual fee, and it is a reward card. You get 1 times the points per dollar spent, which is not that big of a deal, but some other things, no foreign transaction fees, great for travel expenses and stuff like that. So I'm pretty sure it is a card that I will use just because of the simple fact that I can make purchases with it and it doesn't report anything. So very easy card to get, because this card I was able to get based off just having a relationship with Navy Federal. It's not so much your personal credit whatsoever. If you have credit cards especially, and if you have a credit card already with Navy Federal, or you have accounts with Navy Federal already, you know, you can definitely apply for this card and be able to get approved for it. Now, like I said, the process is a little lengthy because you have to go and open a business account, and that can take some time because they got to sit on the phone with you for about an hour. I recommend you call them. They're going to sit on the phone with you for about an hour, get all the information that they need to open up your business checking account. And then what I did was I waited for about 30 days or so. Then I actually applied for this card. So I waited till my checking account got open. I waited till I received my actual debit cards and stuff like that for the checking account. And I just waited a little while. I'm not sure if it's a time frame that you should wait before you need to apply for the business products when you open your business account. But I did wait about 30 days or so. It's been about a month now since I had the business account, and then I went on the online portal through my personal side, applied for this card. They called, verified my address, and then later on they sent me that email saying how much I was approved for and what my limits were. But the main takeaway about this card is that, if you're going to apply for this card, don't look for it to improve your business credit, because it's not going to report to your personal or your business credit. So that's the downfall about this card if you're looking to build business credit and get trade line added to your business credit. But the benefit and the game changer about this card is that if I make a large purchase, let's say I go out and buy a $15,000 car with this card, or purchase a trailer for my truck, or anything like that, is not going to show up. That means I can go and get another loan from another bank because that purchase is not showing up on any of my accounts. It's not showing up on my personal. It's not showing up on my business. So that is a major thing if you play that the right way. So let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below. Definitely a good card to have, if you want to, sacrifice an inquiry on your Experian report. But as always, guys, thank you for watching my video. Until next time, see you in the next video.